Morning YouTube. Just a couple of things I want to do today. First of all, I'm going to clean up some of the leather gloves that I've got, particularly these gold top Murano wool gloves that I've been wearing lately. I've mentioned them a couple of times now in my videos, and I really can't recommend them enough. They're absolutely brilliant. They're really warm. They're quite thick. They're wool lined, as you can see, but they are really comfortable to wear, and they don't have any detrimental effect on the controls on the bike. I can still feel and work them as I need to. They have this suede area in the palm. I don't know if you can see that, but that helps with the grip. Anyway, to clean them up, when I bought them I was sent also this cleaning wax, which they recommend. I added it to the price, and it is just a gel. It basically reminds me of the dubbing that you used to get for football boots, that sort of thing. And the way you apply it is quite simple. You just get a cloth, get a dab of it on there, I always find it easier to put the glove on, and then just rub it in all over. Just like that. And this cleans the leather, seals it, keeps it supple, and puts a bit of a shine to it. How's that? Now I finish it off by buffing it up with a clean cloth. Look at that. Velcro grabs. Now, as for these gold top gloves, you can go online, have a look at them there. Goldtop.co.uk, I think it is. Look at that. And it really benefits you. I've never been a big fan of heated gloves. I don't like the idea of cables running up and down your sleeves and batteries and being tethered to the bike and what have you. And these, if memory serves, were about £80, but they are excellent. And of course this dubbing works on any old leather gloves that you might have lying around. These were a pair I've had for a long time, which I bought from Hein Gerrick in Leeds. as you can see, brings them up too. Look at that, a shine to it already. And the other one. These gloves have been pretty much retired to really bad weather sessions when it's raining a lot. Some of the lining inside is starting to come away, but for gloves that are nearly possibly 10 years old, they've lasted reasonably well. There we go. I'll buff them up later. Now, on to other things. Now, the next thing I'm going to clean up are these saddlebags, which underneath, I don't know if you can see that, but they are really quite filthy. And in order to do that, I use this stuff. Nick Wax Leather Restorer. Got it from Sports Bike Shop, and up to now it's done a good job. Let's see how it cleans this lot up. Touch of the old wax on, wax off. For those of you who watch Karate Kid. That's come up pretty clean. You see, it takes a lot of dirt off. Definitely doing the job. think you'll have to agree, when you compare that side to that side, it's come up rather well. And that's it. Let's get these back on the bike. There you go. I think you can agree they look pretty good back on the bike. Next time I'm going to set up the battery charger and give all the chrome work just a wipe over with some oil, just to stop it from getting covered in condensation, as it currently is being done. So until next time, look after yourselves, look after the people around you, don't forget all the relevant rules, wear a mask, and bye for now.